on the first day we walked into class. Remember, you looked very innocent, but no, then became our journey, filled with laughter, memories and dreams. Photos we took, the jokes we made, the moments that time can never take. We'll stay alive in every heart, even when we're miles apart. It's a master degree and still we're not study. Focus only on girls. Helped each other through every scene. We stood united through every fight. The classrooms may soon fade away, and different roads may lead us astray, but no distance can erase the bond of brothers who have journeyed this long. Oh, brothers, lifelong friends. Racket, Raincat, Albert, 7-4, Ronaldo, shining epic, bench and last but not the least in May. These memories will never end. Am I talking to the wall? So stay safe, always be like a man. May success follow you year after year. Plant your garden, make your family proud. May your dreams come true, but don't dream of girls, since you all are ugly like hell. And happiness always find your way. Legally speaking, though our college days may end, the story of us will never bend until we meet again someday. Undo this hood, we'll forever stay. Oh, brothers, lifelong friends. Racket, Raincat, Albert, 7-4, Ronaldo, shining epic, bench and last but not the least in May. These memories will never end. Oh, brothers, lifelong friends. Racket, Raincat, Albert, 7-4, Ronaldo.